How to fix try again later on Instagram. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, the try again later error on Instagram is typically triggered when Instagram detects unusual activity on your account or if you violate community guidelines. It may also occur due to technical issues, app glitches, or server side problem. So, today I'll show you the step by step guide to resolve this kind of issues. So, first thing first, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date to the latest version. In order to check that, you need to open Play Store on your device. Then make sure to sign into your account and tap the search icon. Tap search bar and then type in Instagram. Open Instagram app, and if you see any kind of updates, tap the update button and then update your app to the latest version. The second trick you need to follow is simply clear cache and data. Go to Instagram application, tap and hold on Instagram app, tap the I button. Now on this section, you will reach on the app info page of Instagram where you have to select storage uses and tap clear cache, and you can tap clear data to clear the data of your app. Now you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not, you need to unlink the third party application. If you have linked third party apps like Instagram automation tools or the bots, you need to unlink them. This can trigger Instagram anti-spam systems. So, the lastly what you can do is simply reinstall the app. If nothing else works, you need to uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. You can again tap and hold Instagram app, tap the trash button here, and then tap on install to confirm uninstalling, and you can easily reinstall from App Store or Google Play Store. By following all this steps, you should be able to resolve the try again later error on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.